So for today's video, I am going to be using Nail Reserve gel polish, and this video is sponsored by Nail Reserve. So thank you for sending me these wonderful, beautiful, amazing colors, and I am going to be using these colors today here in my video. I have a black gel polish, a white gel polish, I have a clear gel polish, and I have a separate color that I'm not going to be using in today's video, but I do have 4 colors here. So what I would like to do is just jump straight into the video. I'm going to be using these long square full cover tips for today's video, and I'm just showing you the length. These are really long, but I am going to be cutting it down because I don't want the nails to be that long. But what I'm first going to be doing is I'm going to be using my Mia Secret Cover Beige. After I had cut the nails down to the size that I wanted, I am going to be going in with my Mia Secret Acrylic, and this is the nude. And I wanted this nail to be nice and strong, durable. I want it to be reusable as well, so that is why I'm adding this extra layer over my nail, because I do want this nail to be nice, sturdy, and strong and last a very long time. So I'm going to be using my Pana nail brush, and this brush is a Kolinsky brush, and I believe this brush is a size 14 brush. I do like to go in with this size brush because it does work for me. I know it's on the bigger side, but I feel like to each his own. Whatever brush you feel like works best for you. This is the size brush that I started with as far as me teaching myself how to do nails. This is the size brush that I had, so this is the size brush that I learned to work with. So that's why this one works better for me. So I'm going to be using this brush. So for all of these nails, I'm just going to be going in with that same Mia Secret Cover Beige, and I'm just going to be adding my acrylic to each of these nails, like I said. So this part is going to be, repetitive as far as you guys just seeing me add the acrylic to my nails. And if you guys are wondering what type of monomer that I'm using, I am using Mia Secret's monomer as well. So I do like to use the powder, the acrylic powder, and the same monomer, so I know that it will work well together. So those are the 2 things that I'm using today. And I was really excited to create this video because I did receive these products, and Nail Reserve have reached out to me asking did I want to work with them. And of course I couldn't turn down a chance to, work with a really good company. I have heard about this company before, but I haven't tried their products. So I just wanted to showcase their products in this video today. So that this is going to be a detailed tutorial on how I make my press-ons. So as you can see, I'm just doing a light layer. I am not going to make these nails too thick because I don't want it to be too thick. I don't want it to be I'm not sure if you guys are familiar, but when you do add the acrylic on the nail, it does shrink the nail slightly, so I didn't want it to change the size of the nail, but I just wanted to give it that extra security and extra strength like I had stated before. There are some press-on nails that I do make that don't have the acrylic on it, but that's to each his own. Some people would like to have acrylic press-on nails, and some people prefer to have just the regular press-on nails, and you just do the nail art designs and throw your charms on it, whatever design or rhinestones onto the nails. But for this one, I'm just going to be doing this because this is what was requested. It has been a very long time since I have uploaded a video on this channel because I didn't let you guys know what I was doing as far as in my personal life, but I did go to cosmetology school, and I was so focused on everything that I was doing in school and learning, and I was just trying to get finished, and I actually graduated. So I'm back to posting videos, and you're going to see a lot more content here on my channel based off of nails. And I'm just excited to show you guys new things, new videos, new styles, new designs, new nail art, new charms that I have purchased as well. So after I did the acrylic, I'm going in with my nail file, and I'm just going to be perfecting that shape. I feel like once you do the acrylic, it does change the shape slightly. So I do like to go back in and make sure that that shape is really crispy, really nice, really even on all sides of the nails. And that is what I'm doing here, just showing you guys how I prep my nails. Make sure you get those sides down like that. I do like to go in with my nail filer. That is the one that's for acrylic nails, aside from just using a soft one that is for natural nails, because it is more intense, and it takes a lot more off than using the regular nail file, because it's not made for real nails, it's made for acrylic nails. So if you want to, you can guys can go ahead and skip ahead for the part where I start to do the nail designs and nail art and just creating these nails. But for now, I'm just going to let you guys watch this part. So now I'm just going to be dusting off those nails after I filed the nails, and I'm going to be going on to the fun part. So like I said before, this video is sponsored by Nail Reserve. I'm going to be using their black gel polish, their white gel polish, the clear top coat as well. And for the red gel polish is going to be by Beetles. And they're all gel polish, which means you have to cure all of them in the UV lamp. So now I'm just going in with that red gel polish, as you can see, and I'm just going to be painting that nail, and I'm just making sure the coat is even on that nail, just spreading it all throughout. So I did go ahead and take some of that white gel polish from Nail Reserve and just put some onto my palette. I did go ahead and put some of that black gel polish on my nail palette as well from Nail Reserve, because I do want to it makes it easier for me to dip my nail art brush into my gel liner when I'm doing my nail art, so that's why I have it there. So I'm just creating my French tip and with my nail reserve, and I'm just using my gel liner brush, and this is one of my thin brushes that I had got in a pack with my nail art brushes. And I'm just going to go ahead and create my nail design with that black gel polish from Nail Reserve using my liner brush again. It just makes it easier for me to apply the gel polish to the nail when I use my nail art brush sometimes, and I just go ahead and fill it in with that with the rest of the brush, basically with the brush from the bottle, excuse me, after I go ahead and use my liner brush first. So that's what you see me here doing. This video is sped up, but I do like to take my time when I am adding and doing my nail art, my nail designs, and everything like that. So I was just going ahead and clean up those lines on that French tip, and that's what you can see me doing here. And then I did go ahead and put that in my UV lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to be taking this nail and I'm going to be adding my white gel polish onto the nail and just spreading it all over that nail, even coat. And if you guys want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram at pretty_press_on_plug. That is my Instagram, and I do have a Facebook as well, Pretty Press On Plug, on TikTok as well. So this is the same gel polish that I was using before. I'm just going in and I'm just creating my French tip design on this nail, and I'm just going to be filling it in and making sure that my smile line is nice and even on both sides. And that's why I'm using my liner brush, because it is much easier for me to control than using the brush directly from the bottle of gel polish. And if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys tuning in for a lot more holiday, winter wonderland themed, and just anything having to do with Christmas and just the holidays in general. I'm going to be posting a couple of videos dedicated to that, so I hope you guys stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Now I'm going back in with my black gel polish from Nail Reserve, and I'm going to be using that same fine liner fine liner brush. I did switch my brush. And I'm just going to be creating my nail design, my nail art on the nail. I did go with a brush that is a little bit more thinner, and it helps me to create lines that are a little bit more crisp. So I do like that about this brush. It gives me that precise line that I want. I did go ahead and put that nail into my UV lamp when I was done. And if you like this video, you guys can leave a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about this video, what you enjoyed, if you learned anything, if you're going to try any type of nail art like you see here on my channel, then be sure to tag me, because I would love to see you guys work using my video, my nail art or nail design as a inspiration. So yeah, don't forget to tag me at pretty_press_on_plug if ever you guys have created anything using my videos as inspiration. So now I'm going in with that white gel polish from Nail Reserve as well, and I'm just going to be using that liner brush to create my flag. If you guys are not familiar or don't know the design that I'm creating here, I decided I wanted to do a Trini flag themed nail art. And I really love how the flag came out, because this is my first time creating a flag themed nail art design, and it is a original design. So I'm just created to just, create new videos in general, but I just wanted to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial. This is my Mia Secret blooming gel that I'm going to be using today to create a nail art on this nail. So I'm just going to be go ahead and go in with a light thin layer of my Mia Secret blooming gel to create this nail pattern that I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do. Make sure that the layer is not that thick, and you're just doing a light layer just to cover that surface of the nail before you begin to go in with your nail art. So I love the versatility of using blooming gel. You can create so many different patterns, so many different designs using it. As you can see in that previous nail, I did go in with my blooming gel and I did create that nail art. I wanted to do a croc print, but I wanted to incorporate all of the colors that I used today in the nail. So I used the black, the white, and the red gel polish to create my nail art. So I'm just going to go back in and show you another nail art design that I am going to do on this nail as well. So as you can see, I'm just using that nail art brush and I'm just creating these different dots, lines, patterns, and shapes on my nail. And as you can see, the magic happens when you add that product on. It creates such a beautiful pattern on the nail, and I really love this nail line, Nail Reserve. And again, I wanted to thank you for sponsoring this video, and if ever you guys are looking for a new gel polish that you would like to try, Nail Reserve have different colors, different designs, different so many different nail art products that you can purchase from them, so be sure to check them out. I'm just here because I just wanted to show you guys a detailed tutorial on me using their gel polish and just showing you guys how I do this nail art design and how easy it is to achieve so many different looks using these three products. Well, three colors rather. So as you can see, after I do any type of nail art, I do go ahead and put my nail in the lamp for 60 seconds because I want the nail to cure 60 seconds to make sure it's nice and dry and everything is good before you begin to do anything else on the nail. So for now, I am just drying that last nail in that UV lamp, and I'm just waiting, and I'm just showing you guys the pattern as I'm waiting as well. So far, you're going to see me go ahead and grab that other nail, give you guys a close up, and these nails turned out so pretty. So that was the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you have any comments about my video. Just leave it in the comment section. Any questions, anything that you want to know about the videos, where I purchase the products. Thank you, Nail Reserve, once again for sponsoring this video, and connect with me on my social media platform at Pretty Press On Plug. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys come back for more videos to come. I'm going to be getting into my holiday themed nails for the next themed nail art set. So stay tuned for more. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.